Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Stop. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are gonna show you the new dodo bird glitch. There's a health bar right under here, and if hit me once, look, and you guys look at the health bar, it just died because there's actually a health bar and you can kill the bird, but we just found out a glitch. Oh my god, I'm anti-cheat. We just found out a glitch on how to get infinite health. But first we need to find another bird because we accidentally killed the last one. And I do not know how to do that much damage. Lol. Let's find another bird. No idea how did you one-shot it, bro.
Man, I need to go reset.
Yeah.
Touch my hands, please.
Okay, I won't.
Hey, I got the crossbow and the
Well, why do you need a actually? Yeah. So let's just find more real quick, and then we can start showing you guys the glitch. Can't find it. I really hope you don't wait 50 minutes just to get a single bird. I really hope we don't need to do that.
I could just shoot you 3 times and you're dead.
Why? Knife, armor.
Very fast. I just need to do something.
Okay.
How much does crossbow do again? Take off your armor.
Like 42 or 50 something, 60 something probably. Shoot me once. Shoot. You can two-shot me. Oh my god.
Okay, what does no scope do?
What's no scope? On. No, I'm not full. I'm gonna die if you shoot me. Where's these birds, man? Oh, matey. Okay, shoot me.
I saw one.
Wait. Oh my! Let's go! Yeah! I missed. Yeah! I missed. Yeah! Finally. Okay, so do not use your bow to shoot this. It's gonna one shot. Okay, hit me once. Hit me. Okay, that's a lot of damage, right? And then if you guys press G and then press F, hold F again. Look, it's fully again. It's full health. Okay, hit me again. Oh my god, that's so low health, right? You put it down, take it back. Full health again. And that's how OP. No. Let's see if Bo can one shot it. Yes, it can. So So basically, this is the infinite health glitch. No. So basically, this is the infinite health glitch. You can have so much health while using this. Because when you're like, oh no, I'm low, I gotta get some more.
Take off your armor.
Dude, jeez, okay. Okay, hit me once. Oh my god, that's a lot of damage. So
I have sharpness.
You have sharpness, bro. Okay, I'm also gonna show you guys how pros use hammer and jade hammer. Pros like me,
I'm not a pro at jade.
Because yeah. So basically, how I use it is, oh no, I want to chase that guy over there. He's too far. I just hold it out. I press once and I just put back to my press 1 again, and then it just boosts me forward. Some people might think you're hacking, or we're recording. So basically, this glitch is very OP. Not the bird glitch, not the jade hammer. Jade hammer is just very annoying. Like you're trying to run away, someone can just like I'm gonna jump over here. Oh, I just. Yes, I do.
See if I can sneak you.
No, no, you probably can't. I'm just saying you probably can't. Not trying to say you're trash. Just saying you probably can't.
Man.
Yeah, you can't. That's 11 damage. That's 9 damage. Can you stop now? Can you stop now? I'm gonna die.
Oh, let's go!
That's 50 health. Oh, he's doing the archer glitch. Basically, he can shoot 2 bows at the same time. You can buy the tactical crossbow and the normal crossbow, and you can basically shoot 2 times and without reloading. You only need to reload one, and as soon as you shoot the other one, you're gonna be able to shoot the other one again. But if you switch it too fast, you're gonna get the bow glitch, which you walk very slow. Can you stop shooting me, by the way? Okay. So that glitch is also very OP. Like you could probably you could definitely one shot someone without armor with that glitch, because you can just keep shoot bam bam, shoot 2, and then you can just one shot them. So it's pretty OP.
Look, stand still.
Okay, I'll stand still. Sure, no problem. Yeah, you guys see, he shot me 2 times. Now we do. Okay, stop shooting me now. We do gotta find another dodo, but I just got the anti-cheat.
By the way, my account, I can't go inside my account, my YouTube account. It will be uploading.
Yeah, his YouTube, he can't post any more videos on his YouTube, so we are gonna post in this YouTube only. But
yes.
I found another dodo bird. So if you guys are trying to find his YouTube channel, it doesn't work. I'm sorry, because he got kind of like banned thing from YouTube posting videos. So sorry about that. Now I'm gonna show you the glitch again. Hit me once.
Why?
Because I'm showing the
glitch.
glitch.
In my crossbow.
No, don't, please. Shoot me. Not shoot me, hit me. Oh. Because I have better armor. Wait, you shoot 2 of the crossbows at the same time. You missed. Okay, so basically he shot me once and it's kind of low, so I'm gonna press G and then I'm gonna get it back on. Boom, full health. So basically, if you're on a fight and you have the dodo bird, this glitch might be patched, probably. Oh god. So basically, when you're in a fight, you'll be like, oh no, I'm back. Dude, the anti-cheat is so laggy.
Back to normal.
The anti-cheat, bro. The video is probably so laggy because I'm laggy while recording this. So basically, oh no, my bird is gonna die. I want more health on my bird. You just be like G, F, boom, full health. It's so OP.
Wait, what?
What?
I think this fast and I get diamond armor. Then I also time. Like that.
Dude, the anti-cheat is so annoying.
I have 9 at least.
It's not popping. My balloon isn't popping. My balloon isn't.
They're so laggy. Hey, I see a parrot. Never mind. There's a dodo.
Okay, so let's 1v1, but I get to use the parrot, but you get to use the bow. Oh god, I got this. So let's start in 3, 2, 1. No, 3, 2,
3, 2, 1.
go!
How do you buy emerald sword?
No, I didn't get emerald sword. I'm not gonna get emerald sword. Dude. Okay, now mind. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh my god!
Oh no, the anti-cheat. I died from the anti-cheat. Oh my gosh, dude.
God, I got off your
Why are you so mad about it? Dude, why am I so laggy? Dude, it's so laggy. The anti-cheat is so annoying, man. What? I just went to mid and then teleported me back. Oh wait, you have a bird? Oh, give me. Give me. Give me.
Mine now. Mine now.
Bro, stop. Did you just die?
Bye bye, I'm dead.
Bruh. You just lost another bird. Why?
The birds.
We spent so long getting a bird and now you just like threw it in the dustbin.
Like the void dustbin.
Oh my god. Stop.
Okay.
I want another bird. The anti-cheat is so annoying. Oh my god, why am I so laggy? We gotta find another bird.
Can you come here for?
What?
Wait, come here, come here.
Okay, I'm coming.
Ow!
I came. Dude, stop. You're gonna get the bow glitch. You missed. How did you miss? You missed again.
A minigun.
Dude, don't you keep missing, man. Well, you hit me once, alright. That's pretty good. Oh, 10,000 arrows. Yeah. Stop! Dude, we gotta find another bird, and can you stop hitting me? You're annoying.
You have like 1 billion health.
Because I have an emerald armor. Can you stop? I'm gonna leave. Stop. The next video we are probably also gonna talk about this glitch, but we're gonna do it in public servers.
It's gonna be high. Who shot you?
Yeah, can you stop? Can you stop shooting me?
Not me!
Dude, I'm comboing you. I'm a combo god. Like, okay, he's running, right? I can just use my jade hammer to catch up to him.
No!
You stop! Stop!
You shoot! You kick! You do so much damage to me and I can't even do any damage.
Stop raging. Last time you literally hit me 1,000 times. No, please, 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 please. No.
God.
Last time you did like 50 damage to me, and now you're
like, oh no, I'm a combo god! You're like a flexer god like that.
you're just salty.
You too.
No, you. Stop. Stop.
You stop. Stop now.
No, you stop. You started it. You started shooting me.
You wanted to kill me first.
I didn't want to kill you. I just hit you.
Yeah, you hit me. That's called.
Nice aim. Dude, I didn't even hit you. What do you want?
1 hell.
Because we came to looking at the glitch, we came to a toxic. Oh.
You got the dodo.
Yeah, I got the dodo. Yo, I can triple jump. Shoot me.
Hot you dead, okay?
Try to kill me.
You dead.
That's a lot of things, but try to shoot me. I know you have emerald sword, by the way.
No.
Yeah, yes you do. Stop lying.
No.
Don't make me just edit the part that you got emerald sword. I'm gonna spend 2 days. No. No. No, not my watch. You won't kill me. Oh god, no, no, please, 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 please. Oh my god. Dude, I'm laggy. I'm lagging, man. I'm lagging, bro. Wait, what? 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 are just toxic. Nice.
They rip your parrot, not toxic.
Yeah, you were toxic. Give me back my parrot. Hey, can I buy a parrot?
Give your parrot.
Can I buy a parrot for $10,000?
Yes.
Give me the parrot first. Give me the parrot first. I hit you once and you hit me 5 times.
2 times.
I want to buy a parrot for 100 emerald.
Okay, yeah, give me 100 emerald.
You need to give me a parrot first.
I will. Where's the parrot? I forgot.
Oh, I thought you were the seller. How do you not know?
I know where's the parrot. Let me check.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, do you want the money or not? I want the parrot right now.
Wait, I'm gonna just check the buildings.
Okay.
Find one parrot.
I thought you know where's the parrot.
Don't know.
Okay, I see.
Yeah.
Oh, you got it?
No.
Oh,
Hey, I got it.
Oh, really? Okay, give it to me. I'll give you 100 emerald.
Give me.
Hey, where's the parrot? Stop scamming me! Stop it! Stop scamming! Stop scamming me! Ow.
Just did 0 damage, okay?
Yeah, you did 9 damage. Give me my parrot, I'll give you 100 emerald.
Why?
Dude, I didn't even hit you. I hit you once. You,
Give me all my M's back.
you had 29 and 29 only.
Give me all my
Stop!
M's back.
Stop!
Give me all
Stop!
my M's back.
You just lost every. I had 100 emeralds. Yay, I won! Woo! Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching this toxic video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.